In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a brake bleed on your Mini Cooper. First thing you want to do is remove your old fluid, clean off your cap, remove it, inspect it, make sure it's good. And now we're going to use a siphon. Make sure you have a drip pan next to it. And we're going to pull out the old fluid. I'm going to take a little bit out first, then take out that filter. I'm going to use a pair of skinny needle nose pliers and pull out the filter. And now we can pull out the rest of the fluid. Continue until it's empty. Let's put our filter in now that that's empty, and we're gonna fill it up with clean fluid. Make sure you use what the manufacturer recommends. Usually says it on the cap. This one says .4, so I'm gonna use .4 brake fluid. You're gonna fill that up until you get to the max line. Once you fill that up, you're going to put your cap back on and clean the area. Now let's get ready to bleed our brakes. The procedure is right rear, left rear, then we're going to stop and check our master cylinder and make sure it's nice and full, top it off, and then we're going to continue on with right front to left front. All right, so we're going to begin the brake bleed procedure. I have someone in the vehicle that's going to help me out. We're at the right rear wheel. I'm going to take off this cap. And you also need to take off this wear sensor wire. And you can just put that off to the side. You're going to need something to catch your fluid in. And you can put that right on top of the bleeder screw when it's time. We're going to start by asking the person in the vehicle to pump it up. He's holding pressure on the brake pedal. And we're going to loosen up our bleeder using a 10mm wrench. Make sure you put that on top. It's to the floor. We're going to close it down. And we're going to keep doing this until we no longer see air bubbles running through. Looks like we're pretty good over here. I'm going to close that down and take off our catcher. I'm going to clean it off using some brake pads cleaner. Now we can put this back on. And also this one. And now we're going to move to the left rear. We just got done the first two wheels, and now we're going to top it off. Remove your cap and fill it up to max. Put your cap back on and continue the rest of your brake bleed procedure. Now we're at the right front. We're going to take off the bleeder cap the same way we did in the rear. And just leave that hanging. I'm going to use a 10mm wrench. Pump it up, please. He's holding. It's to the floor. Close it down. Pump it up, please. It's holding. To the floor. Not seeing any air in that. I'm going to close it down. Clean off the area. Let that air dry and then put your cap back on. And then we're going to continue to our left front. Your left front wheel also has the wear indicator wire on the bleeder screw. Make sure you remove that before beginning your bleeding procedure. Remove your cap and top it off. Make sure it's at max. Put your cap back on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.